Morning all. Just thought I'd give you a brief update. I was on my way to London, but things don't seem to be going too well. Well, it's my birthday today, so happy birthday to me. As I say, I had planned or intended to ride to London today. Unfortunately, I got up, well, rather earlier than I normally do. I mean, I'm normally up at 4, but for some reason today I was up at 2. My daughter thinks I was too excited about my birthday, so yeah, I was up at 2. That was too early to take my painkillers. I sort of normally take them, well, between 4 and 5, so I held off taking them. Well, then I forgot to take them, so I was late taking them, and of course I can't, well, I'm not very good. I can't do much before they kick in. So yeah, it's, well, blimey, it's 20 past 8 now, and we've only just come out of sort of Bognor. So I don't think we'll be going to London now. Oh, of course, the other thing, because we come across the track from Feltham to Barnum. Funny enough, I think that might be the video that's came out last night. Yes, I'm sure it is. Yeah, we came along that track in that. So when we got to the road, I went to put my lights on, and well, the back light's not working. It's probably only the battery, so it's not a major thing, but yeah, I just feel things are conspiring against me. So I think we'll head a bit further, and then we'll sort of double back and head home. Yes, and of course the other reason I'm really struggling to ride now, my hip is pretty bad. I cycled to Chichester the other day, which is only about 8 miles, and blimey, I was suffering afterwards. So it probably was a bit optimistic to think I was going to go to London today. And actually I can feel my hip starting to hurt already, and that's despite taking all these painkillers now. Morning. So yeah, I'm not too sure where we're going to turn around though. Morning. Yes, of course, because I take that tramadol now. I don't know whether, yeah, you probably know that. And of course, one of the, oh hello, I was going to go down there. Oh, let's just have a look. Yeah, so one of the tablets I take is tramadol, and blimey, one of the side effects, oh, you get hot, well, you get all hot and sweaty. I know how women feel who have the menopause now. Blimey, it's bloody awful. Maybe I should take some of that HST, is it, or something? But yeah, blimey, say I'm sweating already now, and we've not exactly done much. I've had my pre-op for my hip. That all went well, so that's one step nearer to having my the hip operation. They really don't know where you are on what's been happening with me. They wanted to take my gallbladder out, which, hey ho, if they do, they do. Unfortunately, they would have operated the week before my pre-op. So, and had I gone ahead with having the gallbladder out, I wouldn't have been able to have my pre-op. So I cancelled my gallbladder operation. I'll have it next year sometime. Yeah, so I cancelled the gallbladder because, as I say, I would have failed the pre-op for my hip. And, well, to be honest, the hip is more important to me. I'm really suffering with that, whereas, well, my gallbladder, I've not had, touch wood, I've not had any problems with that for a few years. This isn't the actual road I wanted to go down now I think of it. I'm gonna turn around. Idiot. Never mind, as I say. Don't think we're going far. In fact, I think I'll turn you around now. And we'll, or something like that, I think. Oh God. Turn you up there. Right, that's it. Right, yeah, we'll head home this way. Of course, I wouldn't have been able to change the battery on my light anyway, because it's got some, one of those star screws on it that you need to undo to change the battery. And, well, I've got that in my little toolkit that I carry when I'm touring. I've not got those panniers on though. I've got the old set on. Yes. Just as well I didn't continue. Fine. That would have been annoying. Yeah. I think, as I say, I'll go and change the, well, I'm assuming it's the battery. I was thinking, I think it might have been on my last tour. I don't think I've ever changed the battery in it, and, well, I've had it for a few years. That was the reason for going to London. That wind, bloody hell. That was a lot more involved than I thought, but that was down to me and me being useless. I was going to head back out again, but I suddenly realised that my speedo, whatever you wish to call it, mileage thing. Can you see that? Hold on. Don't think you can see it. How annoying. Well, oh well. Oh, no. Well, basically, it's about to turn over to 10,000 miles on there. So that'll be 70,000 miles we've cycled. I'd rather do it when I'm actually on a tour rather than just on a day ride. So I think we're going to head out on the pub bike for a little bit now instead.